What do you do when you finished your quilt? You thought you were done, then you notice one of the seams has come out. Don't panic. We will sew it back. You'll never see it. First of all, I like to roll the edges under. You don't want any of those salvages showing. Then give it a little press so that it stays where you want it while you're sewing it closed. I like to choose a thread that's the same color as the material. So I have a dark thread I'm using on this dark material. Get my needle threaded. And then when you start to sew, you'll go under a little bit more than you intend to so that you can tuck that knot underneath, hide it in that seam so that you won't see it and it'll be secure. Tuck that under there. And then just sew it closed. Stay as close as possible to the seam so that you can't see that thread. And at the end, I like to go back and forth a couple of times to make sure that that never comes out again. Back and forth. Secure that underneath. Make a knot. And then go back under. Good as new.